Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make a bullet shooting effect in Scratch. This is something you'll see all the time in shooting games, and it's actually super easy to do. So let's jump right in. First, pick any sprite you like to be the shooter, and then grab another one to use as the bullet. Done? Cool. Now let's make the shooter move along with your mouse on the X-axis. Here's the fun part, the bullets. We're going to use clones for all the shooting, so just set the bullet to keep cloning itself. Give each clone a starting position, point it in the direction you want, and let it fly. Boom! That's your basic shooting effect right there. And of course, you can change things up, maybe fire in another direction or spawn the bullets from a different spot. It's all up to you. Alright, that's it. Go ahead and try it out yourself. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button and save this tutorial for later.